It's 2013 F-150 crew cab. Obviously, you can see the doors. Ivan Lopez here, bound to Ford in Mandeville, Louisiana. 985-966-9443. That's me. Getting back to the appearance on the outer side. So it says the XLT. Past service, still needs to go through details. Right? Adjust the price before it goes to details if you like. Maybe red light. Mill style, 2 running boards. Does have the window deflectors on it. Tonneau cover. Light gray interior. Middle console. Of course, AC, CD, player, brake assist. Does come with 1 key. Bluetooth, cruise control. Here's your mileage. These are second row seats. Got the weather mats in it. Someone added a spring for spring down lazier, rubber mat in it. Obviously nice and clean. The truck. Ford is a tonneau cover, is the name brand. Give a century code key. Like this, just give view from the driver's side. Adjustable pedal, automatic headlights. Again, Ivan Lopez here, bound to Ford. 985-966-9443. Talk to you soon, hopefully maybe today. That's me. Talk to you soon.